Hello there, Oji-san here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've just landed at Incheon Airport and made it through immigration at Terminal 2. In this video, we are going to show you how to take AREX train to Seoul Station step by step. Step 1. Once you exit immigration, head downstairs to B1. Just follow the signs for the airport railroad. They are easy to spot. Oh, when you see this, don't get confused. This kiosk here sells bus tickets, not train tickets. Keep walking until you see a big AREX sign. That is when you know you are in the right place. Step 2. Choose your train. There are two types of AREX train. Number 1 is all-stop train, the blue line, stops at every station along the way to Seoul Station. It's cheaper but takes longer. Number 2 is express train, the orange line. Goes directly to Seoul Station with no stops. It's more expensive, but you get a reserved seat and you are guaranteed a comfortable ride. Since we have the Discover Seoul Pass, we get one free AREX Express train ticket, so that's what we'll be taking today. Step number 3 is getting your ticket. If you are using the Discover Seoul Pass, you can redeem your free ticket at the vending machine. If not, you can still buy a ticket with cash or credit card. Here's how. First, change the language to English and then select your departure time. The third step, choose the number of passengers and confirm. If using the Discover Seoul Pass, just enter the code from your mobile pass. If paying normally, just use cash or card. Your ticket will be printed here. Here is what it looks like. Step number 4 is boarding the train. At the gate, scan the barcode on your ticket. Make sure to keep your luggage in front of you, not behind. Don't throw away your ticket. You will need it to exit at your destination. Now, take the elevator down to B3 if you have big luggage like us. Once there, find your car number on the platform and wait in the designated area. We are in car number 1 today. When the train arrives, place your large luggage in the storage area. Then find your reserved seat and relax. During the ride, you will find instruction on how to transfer to subway lines once you arrive at Seoul Station. When you reach Seoul Station, go all the way up to the exit. Before you leave, scan your ticket barcode one last time to exit the gate. And that's it. That's how you take the AREX train from Incheon Airport to Seoul Station. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have more South Korea travel content coming your way. And as always, may you have joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.